How's it going, everyone? Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a binding window. Alright, so if you're in the predicament where you might have put your window down and when you go to try to put it back up, it starts slowing down, maybe even catches, goes back down automatically, or just stops completely. Chances are this window seal right here fell in, and you can kind of see it just laying inside there. It's a pretty common issue, especially if you have tinted windows, or maybe you just never opened up your door panel, or maybe you just recently opened up your door panel and it didn't sit in correctly. Then that would be the reason for your seal collapsing in there. Pretty simple, straightforward fix. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it. It just requires pulling the door panel off pretty quickly, reseating the seal. You can glue it if you want to, and then we're gonna reassemble it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is take a screwdriver. You can do a flathead, whatever, right behind the door handle. Pull this little panel off. I already have a good video covering how to take the door panel off, but I'm just going to cover it again in this video just because this is kind of directly towards the seal. There's a Phillips screw. Just go ahead and remove the screw. So one screw, and then right down here inside the door handle, I like to put the screwdriver right in the corner. Take this little flap out. There is another Phillips screw down. Down there. Now there is also a plastic clip right here on the corner. You can try to hit a little small Phillips screwdriver in there, but what I like to do is stick my fingers underneath the plastic panel right here and just pop it. You don't need a screwdriver or anything to get there. You just pull the plastic panel up away from the actual metal door. You pull this out, reset the pin by pushing in the center right here so it comes out. That way it's easy to put back in. You can press this down and lock it in place. And then I like to start right here on the inside of the door and just push all the way around, and that's your door panel. So what you want to do is you want to pop this side up first and then slide the door panel over, and that takes it off just like that. You can kind of just slowly set it down. Don't put too much tension on your wires. And what we want is this seal right here. So basically what happens is that this just pops off the door panel, which is normally secured up here, and then falls in, binding the window with the frame, basically causing it not to want to roll up or down. There are little tabs. This slides directly up into the back side of the panel, so when you put it back on here, it slides up. I do recommend putting a little bit of dab of super glue behind each one of these tabs before putting it back up there, just to avoid it happening again. And then yeah, once you guys get this put back in with the glue, let it cure for a minute or two, and then we can go ahead and reassemble it. Okay, so on the inside of the door panel, these little fins right here, it does slide up this way with this little plastic channel facing down. You can also additionally, with super glue, bend these little fins downwards a little bit, and that just helps it bite into the door panel a little bit better, because over time these do stretch out and open up, which causes it to be able to slide off. So I bend these down just a smidge. You don't want to close them or anything, you just want to bend them down just a smidge. And then with your super glue, go ahead and put a couple dabs on the outside and inside on all these, just to make sure that it stays in place. And you don't want to overdo it with the glue, just in case you ever want to replace your seal. You just want to put a couple dabs on there just to really hold it so that the window can go up and down freely without this slipping off and falling into the channel again. So I'm going to put a couple dabs on here. Just get it on there.
You get super glue on your seat. Babe.
I kept it away from the seat. Alright, so now what you want to do is go ahead and realign it with the slots on the inside of the door panel over here. Some of them might be a little bit broken. It is what it is. Just go ahead and slide those fins back in and pull up on it. all the fins in the channels. Go ahead and keep pulling up on it. Give it good squeezes all the way around and make sure it sits on there. And then we're gonna let the super glue set like that for a minute or two. Just let it really cure in there. That way when we go to reset it in the window, it doesn't just fall off again. And this isn't the first time I've done it. It happened on the driver's side like twice. Second time I glued it, haven't really had any issues. First time having it with the passenger window, but it is what it is. It's a common issue. So mainly just with the front windows. The rears do also have the seal in there as well, but those aren't really known to fall off. Just the front ones, mainly because I guess use case, the front windows are usually used more than the rears, so that kind of explains why the fronts have more wear and tend to break faster, I guess. But with this sitting here, I just continue squeezing it a little bit. You can leave it alone so it, I guess, cures better. However you want to do it, doesn't really matter. And then when you do put this back together, you should be able to use the window immediately. It shouldn't really matter. There really shouldn't be any tension with the window because it's like felt stripped, so it really shouldn't bind with the window at all to push it back off. But if you want to be extra careful with the glue, you can let it sit on there for like an hour or two before trying to use your window, but it should be fine. Alright, so now that the seal is dried in there, what we're going to go ahead and do is just reverse of removal. So tilt your door panel up. But I mentioned it earlier, it is easier to do with your window down. We're going to go ahead and just slot that in there. Push down on the top, not on the seal, just the outside door panel. Push it down. And then basically we're just going to go back around. Push in all the clips. Just like that. You're going to take your retaining clip, stick that right back on the side, push the pin in, take your 2 bolts, one goes right up here, the other one right down here. Yep. Take your door handle cover, pop it in at an angle like this, clip it in, make sure it clips in like just like that, and then your pull handle rubber, clean it off so it looks nice. Set that back down there, and you're done. Now with the car on, good to go.
KA band. Laser. GPS connected.
As you can see, seal sits in there nicely. It's not falling down or anything. And you shouldn't have any more issues as long as you glued it in there good and it's fully sat in. Should be fine. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you're new here, consider subscribing. The subscribe button is right below. If it helped you out, leave a like. If you have any questions, comment below. I try to make as many Genesis related content videos for you guys to, make it easier and help you guys with any issues that I might have already experienced. Just because, I do have a true first gen, like the 09, and apologize for the air compressor in the background, but hopefully these videos are, helpful to some people, and like I said, hopefully you found some useful information in it. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day.